mga kalingap, ito dapat suportahan natin ng mga charity vlogger sa Pilipinas, iba't ibang lugar, iba't ibang probinsya. Kalampitos, Kaagapay.
So yun o mga kapapi, Kaagapay po, please support po natin si Kaagapay. Isa rin pong kalingap team na nagnanais na makatulong sa ating mga kapapi. Alright?
Team Caloocan din.
Nagkakalookan din po yan mga kapapi.
Oo,
Maraming
salamat.
Banat lang pa kuya. Yun o.
Yun no. Ako ayan.
Oo. Ay, babae. Buntis na yan. Pastil lang sa probinsya mo.
Mindanao.
Bisaya.
Kaya.
Saan ako pastilan ikaw guys? Si Kaagapay. Bilatan na.
Ay.
Mga ka-business, mga ka-business, mga kalingap, palihog ko, support natin si Kaagapay. Grabe butan, yun siya kayo, pero may ginag-support ba sa tua? So yun, sa mga Tagalog naman, pakisuyo po, supportahan natin si Kaagapay.
Diba?
Solid din po itong sumusuporta sa atin, grabe, laging nagpo-comment. Ayun, salamat din sa suporta mo. Ayun, balikan naman natin yung ginawa niyang kabutihan sa atin.
Maraming salamat ka-business bro. Ayan, kilala.
Kaagapay, support natin. Maraming salamat.
Kaibigan, kababayan natin na tutulungan natin. Kuya, kumusta po? Kumusta kuya? Anong pangalan niyo kuya? Anong pangalan niyo kuya? Kumain ka na? Anong pangalan mo kuya? Bigyan kita ng pambili mo ng pagkain. Gusto mo? Gusto mo? Bigyan kita ng pambili ng pagkain.
Okay, you don't have to give me anything. I'm just trying to stay.
Sorry sir, you speak English?
I'm just trying to stay dry.
What's your name sir?
I can't stay dry.
Sorry?
I don't want to.
I wanna give you something to some money to buy something to eat. You wanna some money?
No, it's okay. You don't have to give me anything.
No, I'll give you some if you'd like. So then you can buy something to eat. What is your name?
I don't want to give that my name.
No, tell me your name. I wanna give you. I'll give you some money so that you can buy food. Have you taken your lunch? Have you taken your lunch?
No.
So this money, you wanna take this? You can buy food. Oh, take this money.
Cash?
Huh?
Cash?
Sorry?
Cash?
Cash, yeah.
Why are you giving me the money?
I give you money because I wanna help you.
Okay.
Okay, take. Okay, take this. Oh, you want some more? You want more? Is that enough for you?
Yeah.
I give you money. Is that enough for you?
Yeah.
Enough?
Yeah.
Enough? Or you want more?
Oh no, it's enough.
You know how much is this? This, how much? 50 peso. Okay, you know, because I'm worried because maybe you don't know the Philippine money. Where are you from?
Okay. Mama, thank you. Mama.
Salamat. Oh, you're welcome. No, actually, where are you from?
Okay.
You want more? I'll give you some more.
Oh, no. It's okay.
Is that enough?
It's okay.
Enough?
Yeah.
Really? I wanna give you more. Ah, take this.
No, it's okay.
Enough?
Yeah, it's okay.
Enough. I wanna give you more. Ah, take.
Ah.
Please take. No, take this money, please. But before anything else, I would like to know your name. What is your name? What is your name? Name. What is your name? Oh, take this additional for you. Take, please. Take this. Okay. That is help for you. Money so that you can buy food, you can buy anything you want to drink, anything you want to eat. Okay? But you can manage that money.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So where are you living? Homeless. Ah, you are homeless. What is your province? Huh? Ah, you don't know. You don't know. You don't want me to know your information, your background. Why? Is there anything problem? Is there any problem that you hide? No. I just wanna take some picture so that maybe someone can help you, because you are homeless. Maybe some people you wanna help you, right? Because there is a lot of people helping some homeless people. And I'm actually walking around looking for someone that I can help. So you are the lucky man, lucky guy, lucky person today. So because I found you. Now you have money so that you can buy anything you want to eat. But why you are not talking too much? But anyway, thank you very much for giving me some giving me some information about you. You are homeless, but I even don't know your name. Okay, but it's okay for me if you don't like to give me your name. But take care always and buy food for your lunch and dinner, okay? Okay? Oh, maraming salamat also for giving me a chance to interview you, because it's rainy, you know, it's raining, and you are standing beside this restaurant, and I just saw you that you are writing something. But anyway, thank you very much. I appreciate your response. Nice talk with you. Are you happy today? No, are you happy?
Rainy day.
Huh?
It's a rainy day.
Yeah, it's rainy.
Gloomy day.
Yeah, but take care always, okay? For I hope I can meet you soon, and I can talk to you nicely, and I can know more about you. Okay? Because I don't want to force you to talk about your background or about your information, and we don't want to force someone to talk, right? But anyway, thank you very much. Because I found you, and you give me some time to know you. Okay? Okay. Thank you very much. Okay? Always take care. Okay? Salamat. Always take care. Okay? Always take care. Goodbye. Just keep your money, okay? Just keep your money, put in your pocket, and maybe someone will take that. Just take care, okay? Okay, goodbye. Goodbye. No, like this. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Okay, goodbye. You are English speaking, huh? I'm so nosebleed now. Thank you very much. Okay? Okay. I found, nahanap ko isang kababayan natin, homeless daw siya. Pero hindi siya nagsasalita ng Tagalog, nag-i-English. So, kinausap ko talaga siya. Kahit hindi tayo masyadong magaling sa English, we try to communicate with him na makuha yung some info, pero ayaw niyang ibigay dahil daw ewan ko, baka nahihiya. Pero hindi siya nagtatagalog, English siya. Hindi ko alam kung Pilipino siya or foreigner. Pero dito ko lang siya natagpuan dito sa may tabi ng Manila Bay. So binigyan natin siya ng tulong para naman kahit paano ay makakain siya dahil nga homeless daw siya, sabi niya sa akin. Mga kababayan, thank you very much. Na-enjoy ko ngayong araw na to dahil kahit umuulan, yun nga, may tawag dito, may natulungan tayo kahit pa paano. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsubaybay ng ating YouTube channel, at sana po ay i-like nyo po ang video ito, at huwag pong kakalimutan na i-subscribe ang ating YouTube channel.